Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another video. I'm so excited today. Do you know why? Because at least I get to share with you this video that so many of you have been asking me about the house tour. I've been postponing this because I wasn't quite ready on doing a house tour, but I think it's time that I did that. So that is what I will be doing today mostly, but it is a mini series because I was supposed to do the whole house tour. Unfortunately, I'm unable to do that, so I will just be starting with the kitchen. So today is just the kitchen tour, even though I know most of you know how this place looks like, but I think that it is just a good idea to share with you some of the things that I got and from where I got them from, you understand? Even though I will be telling you the items that I got plus where I got them from, I will also leave them in the description box. So in case you don't get it, like when I mention it, you can as well go to the description box and check them out. I don't even know where to start from actually, but I think I got this, and yeah, I will just start from somewhere. I just start from anywhere, right? So yeah guys, let's get into the video, and I hope you're going to love this one. And yeah, let's do this. So guys, I think I'm going to start from here, from right in the sink. But first of all, let me talk about this curtain, the one that I got. I actually had it made in thicker from a shop. I'm not really sure about the shop, but the reason as to why I went with this, it's because of the details in it. It's kind of black and it's a sheer. I didn't want like a whole curtain, like the way the curtains. I just wanted something that's simple and that could match the theme in my kitchen. So I wanted a curtain, and the good thing, I got one that had this, this square details, and I love it so much for that space. And another thing, before I talk about anything else, is the way this kitchen looks like. As you can see, it didn't normally used to look like this. I made some improvements for the cabinets and also the countertop, because yeah, this is actually, these are contact papers. This is a white contact paper, and this is also a contact paper. And I got this done by the interior finishers for the whole cabinet, actually, the whole cabinet, and for the countertop. So the next thing that I will be talking about is this dish rack. I got it from Angel's Kitchenware, and the most question that I've had is if it rusts, because as you can see, it's just close to the sink, and this place is quite small, as you can see. So in most cases, water splashes on the rack. But the good thing is it doesn't rust, sorry. Up until now, I haven't noticed any rust on it. It is just the way I got it. I'm not sure if in due time it will, because I've had it for like 6 months only, and I think if it were to rust, it would have started already, but it hasn't. But I'm not going to say anything about that, but having had it for that period of time, it has served me well. And another thing that another question that I've got is about this, this dispenser. I don't know if you're able to see it, the soap dispenser, and I got it from A&A. I will leave the name in the description box, and also the screen is A&A. And I went for it because of the space in my kitchen sink. As you can see, it is very small, so I just wanted something to hold the soap and the scoring pad. So that's why I took it. And moving forward is this space right here. This plant, I got this plant from House of Leather. It's this plant plus the vase. I got both of them from House of Leather. So it's normally just there to just add aesthetics and all. And another thing, guys, is up here. I don't know if you're able to see it properly. For the jars, for the glass jars, I got all of them from Oddskenya, and by the time I was getting the jars, they were actually on sale, and I'm not sure if they're still available because I did get them last year. But the good thing, the one thing that I love about these Oddskenya jars is that they are of quality as compared to others, which I'm not going to mention actually. These are of quality, and I love them because of that. This basket, which I got from, I can't really remember because I use it to like hold some of the extra spices that do not have jars. So that's what I use this basket for. And moving forward is this place here. This jars, as I've told you, I got them from Oddskenya. This tray, I got it from a supermarket. I think Tuskys way back while they were still operational. And for this stand, it used to be for the microwave. I just improvised and placed it here so that at least it can hold these things. I can't remember the shop that I got it from because I got it a while ago. I think in 2020, if I'm not wrong. I can't really remember, but I will research and leave the name in the description box. And another thing is this kitchen weighing scale. This kitchen weighing scale, which I got from Jumia, I think it was last year, and I can't remember the price, but it normally helps us whenever it's just a kitchen weighing scale, and yeah, I got it from Jumia, Kenya. So yeah, guys, that is that. And another thing is for this plant here, this plant here, I also got this one from House of Leather. I got the two of them. Actually, I got them the same time that I got the other one. I also got this one from House of Leather, the plant and the vase. And also this fruit holder, I also got this one from House of Leather. And I think that's that for this space. My kitchen actually is it has quite few items. Another thing that I would like to tell you guys is this is just we normally place our keys here because it's much convenient. And this I got from Quickmart supermarket, and this plant I got way back while we were still in Meru. So guys, I think this side of the kitchen, I'm actually done in this side of the kitchen, and it is quite, there's nothing much here. As you can see, they are just, very few items, but those are some of the questions that I normally get from you guys. And another thing that I think I've not talked about are these stickers, the stickers that are on the jars. I got them from Sticker Labels. I will still leave the name on the screen. Do check it out. And yeah, I think that's that. So I think we'll move to this other side of the kitchen. This side of the kitchen, I've actually received numerous questions on the type of my cooker. It's Elba, and yeah, it's Elba made in Italy, and I got it from while we were in Meru. I got it from Maguna's supermarket. That's where I got it from. And yeah, for the kettle that is on top, I got that one from Tuskys way back while they were still operational. And coming to this side of the kitchen, I know if you've been following me since last year, you know how this place used to look like. This was just like a brown table, and it didn't even have the doors. So we improvised and installed these doors so that at least it can act as a storage unit for our extra shopping. So that this is where we store most of our extra shopping, as you can see there. So yeah, this one comes in handy, and on top of it we have most of the things that I normally use while cooking. So that's the reason as to why I placed them close to the cooker. And for this part, for this tray, I got the tray from Carrefour, and these jars also are from Oddskenya. I got them the same time I got the other ones that I've already shown you. And the sticker labels are from the stickers are from Sticker Labels. And for this salt jar, I got this salt jar from where? From Quickmart. Yeah. For the silicone spoons, I got the silicone spoons from where? I got the silicone spoons from Kengla Utensils. And for these knives, I got these knives, this set from Jumia Kenya. I also got this one from Jumia Kenya. And another thing on this tray that I haven't talked of is nothing. I don't think there's any other thing there. And also is this bamboo chopping board, which I also got from Carrefour. And yeah, I think that's that for that. This one I got way back when we were still in Meru. And this one, these canisters, I got these ones from for these canisters, I got them from Kengla Utensils. They hold our sugar, chocolate, and coffee, and I just love the way they look like. So I think that's that for this space. So coming up here, I have these amazing decor pieces. For the shelf, I got the shelf from YK Homes. And for this amazing watch, which helps me around the kitchen whenever I'm cooking, I got it from MRP Home. And for this amazing artwork, which was done by Ideal Decor, this I got from Ideal Decor. And for this decor piece and this plant, I got them from Okadeco. So yeah, that's actually where I got all of those things. And I think I love this space, the way, actually the whole of this space, I love the way it turned out. You know, even though there are some changes that I need to make here, because I can see there are so many blacks there which are not giving me the vibe that I need, but that I will do in due time. But for now, I just love it the way it looks like. So yeah, that's that. I think it's like I'm done with the kitchen tour, because there's nothing much around this kitchen. There's just the normal things. And for this, like this wall, as I already told you, the work was done by Interior Finishes. And for my kitchen mats, I got them from Kengla Utensils, and I went for the black and white theme because I was trying to work around the black and white theme. So that's why I got them, and they have such a nice pattern, even though I'm not really loving them right now. I don't know why, because they're not like the ones that I used to have, even though those other ones had numerous colors, and I wanted to get rid of, you know, those many colors. But for now, they're serving their purpose, the black and white ones, until the time that I get the one that really fits this space. But for now, we'll just work with those ones. So guys, I think I've come to the end of this video, because it was kind of short. The video is kind of short because there's nothing much to, I don't have a lot of things around the kitchen that I can talk about, but I'm glad that I got to share with you the little that I have and to answer most of the questions that I've been getting from you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. And if that is the kind of content that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So guys, I think this is it. But what I would want to ask you is, in the comment section, if in case you have a question about anything, or if you have a room in mind in my house that you'd like me to do a tour of, just let me know in the comment section. Then that will be our next tour video. I think I will see you in my next one.